Hello, my name's China and welcome to ArtistAnd. Now, you've given me a minute, so I'm going to show you that you can draw in just 1 minute. So let's go and see what we can do. Whoops, not that one. Okay, so let's draw something that inspired me by my dad when I was about 2 years old. We're going to start with 2 vertical lines. So these are completely straight up and we're going to make them into long rectangles. So that's a flat line at the bottom and a flat line at the top. Then you want to close off that gap in between with a flat line and then another smaller flat line going between. After that, on the corners, go for 2 angular lines and you're going to do the same angle underneath but with a gesture, so 2 little dashes, because basically we're going to make a chair. Now, once you've got that, you want to continue with those vertical lines at the back, so this is the back leg, and then you're going to do it at the front from the corner, just to make those 3D. Not forgetting, of course, that back leg in the middle there. From there, you want to just draw another vertical line, and instead of an angled line, it's going to be a flat one, so parallel to the seat. Then repeat that on the leg on the right hand side and just close off that gap to make it 3D as well. Finally, on the back leg, you want to do another vertical line following the one before that, and then you want to close off that middle so that it looks like that square is at an angle. Then you want to do another straight line going up, a flat line going across, and then just to make that 3D again, you're just going to do another line to make that chunky. Now, that is just over a minute, and if you want to push it even further, do feel free to add some shading on everything on the right-hand side. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and hopefully I can see you again in a workshop where we could draw something way better and have way more time. Cheers, folks. Chat to you soon.